Hey yo, the Matrix is real, whether you believe it or not. Listen to this.
We live in the loudest era in human history. Every second, something is fighting for your attention. Companies, influencers, media, entertainment, and they've all learned one truth. If they control what you focus on, they control how you live. That's the Matrix now. Not cables or machines, but endless noise. It convinces you that being busy means being alive, when in reality, it's the easiest way to keep you numb. You don't escape by throwing your phone away. You escape by mastering it. Use technology. Don't worship it. Build with it. Don't drown in it. Freedom isn't found in silence. It's found in the moment you choose where your attention goes. We may not see each other again, so make sure to follow this page.